Hello everybody, my name's Tahina. Today I will be showing you the August kit from Cocoa Daisy. I don't know if you've seen the other video, July's video, but I decided to just do the inserts for August, and now I'm upset because for some reason in August kit you actually got like the little pouch in the planner kit. But anyway, so here's the inserts. I get the A5 inserts. So let's check this out. Okay, so you always get a dashboard for the month. I just wish they didn't put like the year. If you hear that in the background, I'm boiling some water. I just wish they wouldn't put the year. That way you could use it for another year in case you don't use the inserts that month. And they also give you the month view, which is cool, but again, if I wanted to use it next year, it wouldn't work out for me. And then you always get, with Cocoa Daisy, you always get kind of like dashboards of your week. So they always look like this. The colors may be different and everything, but the dashboard always looks the same. And on the other side, it's usually grid paper. So you get, I believe you get 5 each month just in case, just in case there's 5 weeks in a month. And then, oh wait, let me show you. I don't know why they put it way back here, but then you have a month view, and this is always notes on this side, and then here's the monthly view, and then the back side is always a year at a glance. I don't know why they do that, because I don't think, well, I guess you can, instead of going like at the beginning of your planner, you can go whatever month and see what's coming up, I guess. I don't usually use that. And then we have the weeklies. And this is dot grid. Velvet. Stop. And then here, so here's the week at a glance, or here's the week insert. So, but they do, Saturday and Sunday do get shared though. That's the only issue. If you have a lot of stuff going on the weekend, you might not like these. Okay, and the back is grid. I believe that's how they are each month. And then you also, this is what I like about Cocoa Daisy. The weeklies, you do get 5. I believe you get 5 weeks. Just like the dashboards, just in case there is 5 weeks. Or you want to do like a half a week at the beginning of the month and a half a week at the end of the month. But this is what I like about Cocoa Daisy. She also has daily inserts. So you get everything with her. Or them, I should say. And the dailies are must do, call or email, to-do list, hydrate, schedule. And then back, 15-minute pickup and meals. And then a section for notes and ideas. And before, she used to change the back of this, but I've subscribed for the last 3 months, and it's been the 15-minute pickup and the meals. So she might have totally kept it this way. So that's, and you get 31 of the dailies. So I never, like, I used to be subscribed to Coco Daisy back in, I think, 2016. And I still have the inserts for those. Like, I don't have all of them, but I mean, like, I've never, like, totally used every single sheet. So I always have extras. That's why I wish the year wasn't on here, so I could still use the dashboard. Well, I guess I could make a sticker and just put the sticker on there, but, you know, that's a little extra. Okay, so next month is actually a really, really pretty theme. I'll insert a little picture of what the theme looks like. And I'm debating whether to get the planner kit again. So next month I might have the planner kit instead of just the inserts. But if you want to know what happens, which one I pick, please subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.